How to log in to Discover Bank. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to log into your Discover Bank account. For this, open your web browser. You can open any web browser you want and go to discover.com. In the search bar, type in discover.com. This is the Discover Bank's official site. You will find the login button at the top right corner in the home page right here. Okay, click on it and enter your user ID and passwords in the field that appears right here. Enter your user ID and password. Once you enter your user ID and password, click on this orange login button right here. Click on it. Make sure your full user ID is entered correctly. Okay. Once you click on this login, you will be logged into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll be taken to your Discover dashboard. From there, you can manage your check-ins, savings, or credit accounts. You can view balances, transactions, statements, payments, and more. And that's all there is to it. With this guide, you will be able to log in your Discover Bank account. If this video helped you, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.